When you're ready to clear the clutter and transform your spaces, there is no better place to start than the Container Store. Welcome to the organization. Hi, I'm Juliana, a professional organizer. Today I'm at my favorite place to shop, the Container Store. And now shopping here is even better thanks to their new rewards program. By becoming an Organized Insider, you'll earn exclusive benefits, including special discounts, gifts, and invitations. Signing up is simple. You can do it online or in-store, and you'll get $10 off your next $75 purchase. Earning benefits is easy. Once you complete your Organized Insider profile, the more you shop, the more you earn. Climb your way up 3 tiers: enthusiast, experienced, and expert, and watch your benefits grow with each one. One of my favorite benefits is Insider Savings Days. Organized Insiders can pick their own savings day each year to receive 15 to 25% off their entire purchase that day. Got a birthday coming up? Organized Insiders get 15 to 25% off an entire purchase during their birthday month. So why not gift yourself a little organization? Beyond all the money you'll save, there are more reasons to become an Organized Insider. One of the best benefits is that every insider can make returns without a receipt. No receipt? No problem. Plus, as you unlock new tiers, you'll get bonus savings during sales, early access passes to new products, and once you reach the top tier, you'll get a free expert gift and invitations to exclusive meet and greet events with professional organizers and special guests. Organized Insider is so easy. You can sign in online or download the new app to get quick access to your tier status, benefits, and any special offers available to you. Rewards for getting organized? It doesn't get much better than that. Sign up today and start saving. Happy organizing!